All right, y'all, so as you can see, this is what they look like on feet. The Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory Craft or whatever. These shoes sold for below retail. Like nobody wanted them, but the quality on them are A1. I'm gonna kind of try to show you guys. As you guys can see right here, this is what they look like. Definitely not a bad sneaker, man. Really clean sneaker. I like a walk. As you guys can see right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and give you your own feet. Why not?
It's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. This is Technology, and today we're gonna be talking about a sneaker that I feel like deserves a lot more respect than what it's getting, man. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. We're on our race to 10K, and by the time you're watching this video, we should be in hit 8. So I appreciate you guys so much. We are growing at a good pace. It's kind of like lean muscle. We're growing and we're sustaining and we're growing it at a good rate, but it ain't too much, you feel? And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy the content. If you are a recurring subscriber, I thank you guys so much for rocking out with your boy. This sneaker right here was a sneaker that I feel like people talked about for a little while, and then for whatever reason, it kind of like fell up on the radar and we kind of just like stopped talking about it. But overall, aesthetically, this shoe is very pleasing. This shoe is nice, and this shoe deserves a lot more attention than what it is actually getting. Even though it is under retail for the most part if you want to cop it, which is a good thing, because if you're on the fence about it and you decide to pick it up after watching this review in its own feet, because I will hit you guys with that, then you'll be able to go and cop this thing without a problem. But before we get off to the on feet, let's go ahead and turn this camera around and give you guys a detailed review. All right, so starting with the box, you do have this Jordan 3 box right here. It's kind of like that ivory color, and then it hits with that kind of like a gray elephant print right there. And then you have the Nike Air, and I like the fact on this box that the Nike Air, you in the Jumpman logo, is kind of like overlapping each other. So you do have both of those on the box. As we open up this box, you do have that white and checkered paper. And then the quality control sticker should be in here somewhere. Oh, yep, there you go right there. Quality control sticker, nothing up on there. And then the lot number is actually on the upper side of the box right there. This one was a size 13. As you guys can see, y'all can read the label, so on and so forth. And the retail was $210 if I'm not mistaken for these, but that's the box. So as we take a look at the sneaker, you have it right here, and it's a predominantly white upper, and then it has like that cream color tone to it. I'm so glad that they didn't go overboard when it comes to the that pea color that they put on it when they put on the Reimagine and stuff like that. I'm glad they didn't do that, but when they hit the back end of the sneaker, they did go with that actual ivory color. I like that they did that instead of that Reimagine theme, that whole vintage look. You do have that Nike Air logo behind there with the Jumpman logo on the front, and this is where the shoe really resembles the off-white, because this is what the back looks like. Let me grab the off-white so I can show you. All right, so as you guys can see back here, you do have the 3 and the 4, and this is where the backs kind of resemble, kind of like the same beige color, that kind of cream colorway on the back ends of them. So that is probably the most resembled part as far as the off-white. But as we go into the inner side of the shoe, you do have that leather, and you have that gray elephant print right here. And this reminds me of the Alma Manir 3s, the way that the feel and the texture and stuff like that. But as we go along the inner side of the sneaker, like I said, real good leather, not bad at all. The sock liner is gray, real plush. On the tongue, we do have those double Jumpman logos, and this is probably one thing I don't like about the sneaker. This is the most thing I don't like. A lot of people like the uniqueness of this. Can't stand it. Wish they would have just went with one or the other. So I don't like that. But you have the white laces. It only came with one pair of laces, if I'm not mistaken. The toe box, y'all see that leather action right there. So not bad. As you guys can see on the bottom, it is like that translucent cream with the hints of the gray Jordan logo right there. So yeah, all in all, as you guys can see, both of the sneakers here, not a bad sneaker at all. Super clean. You can dress this thing up, you can dress this thing down. This is the type of sneaker that you can definitely do some damage with when it comes to picking fits and stuff like that for it. You can step out and be really, really fly in this sneaker. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? Why did this sneaker fail? Let me know down below. I'm gonna hit you guys with an on feet real quick, and then after that the video will be done. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the on feet look of the Air Jordan 3 Ivories. Let me know down in the comment section if this is going to be something that you're going to reach back and get. And let me know also, do you feel like that this sneaker was worth the $210? I appreciate you guys for checking in as always. Y'all know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.